Are you ready to embark on the journey of knowledge, leadership, and success? Then look no further than the Bachelor's of Business Administration at St. Vincent Pallotti College, where dreams meet opportunities and passion finds purpose.
Here at SVPC, BBA isn't just a program. It's a journey that molds our future and ignites our passion and propels us towards our success. With the help of fantastic and experienced faculties who always encourage us and provide their personal attention.
But there's even more to our journey beyond the classrooms. We dive into a world of vibrant clubs and society where we refine our skills, unleash creativity, and live and create bonds for lifetime. Within our BBA department, we have two different clubs, the Leica Club and the Prism Club, where students get together and make a better place.
The Prism Club serves as a platform for students to showcase their hidden talents and interests beyond academics. Through various events and activities, it promotes holistic development and encourages students to explore their creativity, leadership skill, and team spirit.
On the other hand, the Leica Club focuses on the significant days, current affairs, and aiming to update the students on the latest business happenings.
Get ready to be inspired by industry leaders in our guest lectures and workshops. Compete and showcase your talent in intercollegial competitions where you can showcase your talent in a bigger stage. At SVPC, the spotlight awaits you.
Discover the real world of business on our industrial visits where theory meets reality, and sharpen your skills with our dynamic skill reinforcement and become a corporate powerhouse.
In our department, we don't just educate minds. We nurture hearts and instill a sense of responsibility towards the society. In our department, social responsibility, it is more than just a requirement. It is a commitment towards bringing an impact on the lives of others.
But wait, there's still more. Seal the deal with our industrial internship. We will put your learning into action and gain valuable insight from seasoned professionals. It's not just an internship, it's a launchpad to success.
So why settle for ordinary when you can pursue excellence with us?
Join the ranks of visionaries, innovators, and game changers in BBA program. Your future begins here.